also for the attackers, no, na makabuelo.
Like that. Soriano with her favorite quick. Alyssa Valdez spinning around. Back row.
Gets her first point for PLDT.
And her fans go bananas.
But right now, I'm looking at PLDT and their top scorers have been hurt. Rose maganda nga sa lineup ng Philippine Army. And we talked about it earlier during the pregame. Yung combination of experienced players and the really young players. Because ang ganda ng balance.
Well, what else is new when Alyssa Valdez and Borgs, her ultra-fast Spike, ultra-fast LTE, we're a happy family.
Of course, Ferrer knows the kind of set na gusto talaga rin ni Alyssa.
Yep, in play. Third touch. Yes!
It's good to see also itong si Hurt and Freeman probably appreciating the Filipino talent and yun nga, the presence of Valdez.
Point. Point.
Of course.
Hindi binigay.
Oo, hindi binigay.
Lapit sa net. Alyssa scored 4 points since arriving into the second set.
You know, I think what's good.
Cargado. Nice set. Lumutang yung bola eh. Ferrer, a new libero. Valdez is coming.
And they really cannot get a good read on Valdez. She's been going at that down the line area, no? Kanina pa siya nakakapuntos doon. Look at this.
As she grew older, Alyssa has learned how to contort. Roses. Valdez catches it.
Oh.
On the floor.
And you see, ito yung sinasabi natin, yung iwas din sa blockers, ano? Kanina down the line, Sala covered that area. This time around,
Serve in play. Sala. Manageable. Valdez.
Valdez off the block.
Namumursyento si Jem.
At nakuha naman niya ang puntos. Ano? Alam nila na dito sa set of players that's on the floor. Itong si Valdez yung hindi pa basang-basa ng Philippine Army. At sila rin naman yun ang gusto nila. No? Aminado silang pag maipapanalo nila sa straight sets ang isang laro. 3 sets, mas maigi yun para sa kanila.
Pabor sa kanila yun. Favor of Army. They took the first 2 sets. 25-16, 25-20. Tulog ni Alyssa. LTE for a happy family, speeds up to 10 Mbps, monthly internet for as low as 999 pesos. Wow.
Exactly what they need.
Tabla sa 11. Watch this. You know, pag nakapiglas na naman ng Army rito, mahirapan itong PLDT. Kulak. Yes! Indeed.
But this is a strong front line for Philippine Army.
Oh boy. Thomas Valdez is there.
And this is going to be a challenge for they still have to get this match point.
Lakas. Sumalok pa baba. Valdez is not yet done.
This makes it all the more exciting.
Good, his team, keep your iron steady. 24 apiece now. 1 match point saved.
Oh!
And the match point, the set point goes to the other side.
And an ace by Valdez, really scoring the points, when she is if you look at even the top scorers of yung Philippine Army, si Valdez pa rin ang highest producer natin of points in today's game.
Yung kanyang scoring rate, mabilis talaga eh.
Ang bilis talaga. For PLDT, Valdez is followed by Hurt with 8, Freeman and Pontilas both with 5.
Dagdagan mo pala isa. Wala na namumorsyento na si De Leon, si Ferrer. Ito nga, si check out the Ultra-Fast Bike, Ultra-Fast LTE for a happy family.
Alam niya sa pag-itso ka lang niya ng bola.
Asiwa na eh. Alyssa Valdez.
Forcing that reception error of Gonzaga. Ang ganda kasi ng float ng serve ni Valdez.
Anong ginagawa niya? Yung sa pag-toss niya o sa pag...
Even with the contact of the ball with her hand, if you look at it, ang ganda nung tama.
Yung bihis ng kamay, oh.
At sinastop niya yung sa technique.
Parang siya nagluluto. Kaya niya.
Doesn't matter where she is, front or back. Kasi Valdez makes it look simple. Look at that. From the back, she saw that opening. Wala ka namang depensa doon.
Balse. Valdez slaps it. Valdez dumps it.
Once again.
Dito na lang.
That is Valdez's 20th point in this match.
Eto. Nakita ng buwan talaga eh.
20 points and yet she missed the first set. Oo.
15-15. Can Army finish the job here today? Can they get it across the 20-point mark and be ahead and seal the deal? And take a 1-0 lead in the basically Valdez couldn't care less.
Come into play if this extends into a 5-set match.
Last time they played the 5-setter, won by the Army, 15-13 final count in the 5th and final. Hello!
No coverage.
Let's take a look at the play before we had the timeout. Hello!
Good adjustment made by Valdez. Full approach, full swing, last minute drops it. Hindi nakapag-adjust ng depensa ng Philippine Army today.
In the air, Valdez. Nagkagulo, tinaas, apalo!
Valdez! Hindi pa tapos itong 4th set. Ito sinabi nga ni Coach Kung Fu kanina. Isugal nyo na, yun ang sinabi niya sa Philippine Army. Pero
Yan naman ginawa ni Alyssa din.
And Alyssa just really keeps on looking at saan ba yung...
Hindi matuloy-tuloy tuloy yung awarding ceremony. Kung ano-anong preparasyon ginagawa rito. Oh! Set point! Can't say enough of the spirit of this woman.
Never say die attitude.
Valdez! Kagulo kayo dyan.
What happened there to Bino and Sala?
I've lost count of the set points now, actually.
Oh, definitely.
She just took care of this 3rd and 4th sets, actually.
That's right. 4th set, Valdez scored 10 points. And 9 of which galing sa kanyang opensa. So from these 14 attacks, 9 points dyan galing yan kay Valdez. And if you look at the numbers here, despite the fact that Philippine Army gave PLDT Humolter a difficult time dahil ang blocking nila 7 points, talagang ang daming errors na nakomit ng Philippine Army.
Towards the end, parang mga unforced errors.
Puro unforced errors. And imagine those are all match points. Magkakaroon kayo ng error.
Valdez. Manageable. Talo sa net touch.
Wala kang panalo. Valdez just
you have to take it.
Sure, narinig ko na hindi ka nakapag-ensayo with the PLDT Home Altera, but how do you keep yourself fit and conditioned dun sa mga laro nyo or sa pagpasok mo sa larong ito?
Syempre, I train with with Ateneo team also. So, ayun. And, naging teammates ko din sila before. So, medyo sobrang close naman. And it's really important na close kayo inside and outside of the court para mas mag-gel as a team. So, yun siguro yung nag-work. Yung teamwork talaga today.
And good job for you. Syempre, hindi mawawala si Ate Roma para sa ating Shakey's best player of this game. Ibigin niya sa'yo.